welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to make Brazilian cheese spreads. It's super easy to make but super tasty, and it gone super fast too. So now let's get started. First we need milk, but unfortunately we ran out of milk. So Mom will show you how to make oat milk in just 1 minute. And of course it will be healthy too. Two cups oats with 56-ounce cold water, 3 teaspoons sugar, 1/8 teaspoon salt into the blender and blend for 45 seconds. Yes, you hear it right, only 45 seconds. Oh, it looks so good. Now just strain through the strainers. And we have our healthy cold oat milk ready for anything. It's time to make our yummy cheese breads. I use small blender for this step. 1/2 cup oat milk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup olive oil. Remember, always wet ingredients come in first. Now our dry ingredients in. 1 cup tapioca starch, 1.5 cups cheese, 1/4 teaspoon salt. All into the blender. Pulse until smooth. I use my 24 mini cupcakes pan. You could use the 12 cupcake pan. Spray cooking oil inside the pan for easier taking out later. Spoon batter into our prepared cupcake pan. I prefer the batter up to top so the bread would be higher and prettier. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. The smell around the house is super duper cheesy. If you like crunchy outside like this one Mom made before, you could bake 10 minutes more. But today Mom wants them to be squishy, so Mom baked only 20 minutes. Don't worry, every kind of these cheesy breads are still our favorite breads. Yum. It's super healthy snack, but easy to make at home. It's like the cheese puff, crispy outside and soft, chewy, hollow inside. Believe me, when you try one, you will find out you're addicted to the cheesiness of this bread. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our video. See you tomorrow. Bye.